I mean,
Nandiyan
I'm a
po ba yung governor?
politician. You don't do that when you're governor.
Well, I'm also a politician, but
Yeah,
I have the right.
what's good is that the Rapid City was canceled because it's inside a protected area.
I know.
Italy was not canceled because it's operating outside the protected area.
Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, ulitin ko. At sasabihin kong dahilan kung bakit ko pinakita yung picture na yan. Nagkaroon ng event ang DNR. Project Transform. Now, before I proceed, nandyan ho ba si Gob? Si Governor Henares? Nandyan po siya? Okay. Exactly. So, bit-bit ni Governor. Pero, if I were the Secretary, meron naman sigurong karapatan magsabi, Gob, pwede ba? Wag mo muna natin isama yung dalawa. Magkakaroon tayo ng picture taking at baka magkakaroon ng kulay out of delicadeza kasi may problema yan. Ayaw ko makahalo-bilo mga yan dito. Siguro naman si Governor magsasabi, of course, kasi event nyo ito, gagalangin ko yung request mo. I don't think the Governor would say, no, hindi pwede, bisita ko to eh. I don't think the Governor would say that.
Don't think the governor will say that, but
Exactly.
in his mind, he cannot say, like, if you're a constituent in the province, you cannot say it directly to your constituent. Oo.
So that
Kahit
means,
na gusto niyan sabihin, hindi niya,
yes, so that means the Governor has a say on environmental regulations.
not
But this is-
necessarily.
Therefore, may karapatan ang DNR na tumanggi kung sino yung mga bisitang ayaw na papasukin niya sa event nila. Because that was a DNR event. Now, sasabihin ko kung reason kung bakit. DNR is set to cancel the contract of Masungi Georeserve Foundation Incorporated over Marikina Watershed. They might have the right to do so legally, but morally, no. Some people will say that. They have the legal right to do it, but it is not in accordance to good practice. Sisibakin nyo yung Masungi and then papasok ng Project Transform na kasama dyan ay itong dalawang mga grupo na sinuspindi ang permit ng DNR. At hindi man lang inibitahan yung mga taga-Masungi sa gathering na yan.
No, Italy is operating outside Masungi.
Kaya nga po,
The other one lang is operating inside Masungi, and their permit was canceled.
yes, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, meron ho bang invited dyan ang taga-Masungi?
Meron. Kung may invited daw doon taga Masungi.
They were invited, ma'am, but they didn't.
Bukod sa hindi invited yung Masungi, wala rin pong representative na indigenous tribe leaders and watershed NGOs.
They said that this
They were
is
not as well invited. Ang imbitado lamang yung dalawang personality na binanggit ko na meron pong problema sa DNR, mismo DNR na nag-cancel ng kanilang permit in 2022.
this is a transdisciplinary approach towards natural reserves, conservation, and resilience through multi-stakeholder collaboration. So,
Disciplinary.
nag-invite po sila dun sa Masungi, na taga Masungi, hindi nagpunta, pero yung IPs may nagpunta.
No, they were not invited, Madam Sponsor. Now, you did mention about disciplinary so-and-so. So, dinisiplina itong dalawa at inibita matapos sila disiplinahin. If they were disciplined, then they should not be there in the first place. Why were they there? Bakit po hindi inibitahan yung Masungi? No, Masungi wasn't invited. Not even the indigenous tribe leaders maging po yung mga watershed NGOs. Ang in-invite lang yung mga nasuspindi o sinuspindi ng DNR.
O yun na-invite.
Sinuspindi ang mga permit dahil sa quarry.
Ang ito lahat na invite.
Lahat po yan. Pero ito po yung digest.
They have a list of those invited, and one of them is the indigenous people mandatory
Nasaan po
representative
paki-point out?
in Tanay, Rizal.
Saan po dyan at anong pangalan po ng mga indigenous people representatives? Saan po? Can you give me the names? Madam Sponsor, Mr. President?
They will give the attendance record to you, the list of the attendance record to you. You will be furnished.
Kasi nga po, Madam Sponsor, Mr. President, sana man lang, out of courtesy and respect sa Masungi, they should have been invited. Kasi nga po, yung Masungi Geo-Reserve, napakaraming awards po natanggap yan. Since 2016, Model for Balanced Man-Nature Interaction, World Conservation Congress 2016. 2018, Special Commendations, Pathfinder Award, Innovations for Conservation, Financing and Resourcing. 2020, top 5 finalists, win-win, Gothenburg Sustainability Youth Award. 2021, winner Vanity Fair's 2021 Changing Your Mind Travel Awards and Hollywood issue. First place, Water Change Maker Awards 2021 Global Water Partnership. Warriors of the Year, Esquire Man of at his best 2021. Heroes and Mavericks. 2022, United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Awardee Forbes 30 Under 30 Asia 2022. Winner International Union for Conservation of Nature. World Commission on Protected Areas 2022 International Ranger Awards. Winner Sustainability Initiative Award. Bet Asia Awards 2022. 2024 Asia Pacific Social Innovation Partnership Award held on May 4, 2024 in Taiwan. Impeccable record meron po itong Masungi. And yet, ang DNR is set to cancel their contract. Like I said, they might have the legal right to do so. But hindi man lang nila kinonsider itong awards na natanggap na Masungi, therefore, they're more than qualified na
But there, the land is a protected area owned by the government. It cannot be given to any private entity.
how about a Project Transform? Project Transform would benefit from the knowledge and experience that Masungi already has,
Yeah,
kung tutuusin.
but they
They should
cannot
have been
own
invited.